Assalamu alaikum friends. We will discuss this topic in English language with 5-minute basic series. In 5-minute basic series, we will discuss the detailed analysis or the basics of the topic within the 5 minutes. So let's start. Today our topic is how electricity is generated from nuclear, what is nuclear power plant, or how power generation can be take place through nuclear fission reaction. The first step during the power production is to just rotate or turn the turbine. The turbine will directly connected with a generator, and generator will produce electricity. This process will take place in all kind of power generation except solar, which will be a different case. We will discuss little bit about its facts and history. The power generation can take place during the nuclear power plant is nuclear fission reaction. In nuclear fission reaction, neutron were bombarded on uranium, which will split into 2 and 3 different atoms, and during this splition they will produce heat, and this heat can be used directly for purpose of power generation. Around about what 11% power electricity is generated through nuclear reactions or nuclear power plants. The main producer of countries were American and France. The main component which will be required during the nuclear power plant were fuel such as uranium, boiler, turbine, condenser, generator. Now we will discuss detail in this animation. First of all, the heat produced during the fission reaction sent to the boiler. The boiler will convert water into the steam. The steam will go into turbine. Turbine will rotate and electric generator will directly connect it to turbine, which will produce electricity, which you can see in here. Can be used as our useful purposes. The steam again went into the condenser. Condenser basically convert steam into water, and this water will be sent back to the boiler using this pump. Now discuss little bit about its pros and cons. First of all, it is a low greenhouse gas emissions. It means that the gas emission during this process will be very low, such as in coal and fuel. Large of amount of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other oxide were released. High power output, inexpensive electricity. Electricity production rates are very low. Economic impact basically related to power generation. For cons, back and environmental impact, for example, the fuel which will be used is the biggest problem is to reuse this fuel or to bury this fuel in the salt and mines, because it is highly radioactive fuel. The second one is nuclear accidents. If some kind of accidents occur, then it will definitely destroyable for the whole area. High upfront and end stage costs. It's a simple mean capital cost means need to install this power plant is very high. The fourth one is target of terrorism. If any kind of such as accidents happen, then the same process will occur in nuclear accidents. We will apply same condition on this case. Not a renewable resource of energy. There are two kinds of fuels such as renewable sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable. In renewable, we will consider water or wind, which will be infinite form in nature, while the non-renewable resources of energy such as coal, gas, and uranium itself is a non-renewable resource of energy, because it is going to depleted, and within a few years it will be not available for our purposes. So hope this video will increase your knowledge. Subscribe, Q will give the all question of all your answers. Share this video to all social media platforms. Thank you, and fi amanillah.